Welcome, dear student. We have to learn subject information technology, standard 12, chapter 4, emerging technology. In previous lecture, we have to complete the chapter for emerging technology. Now, today, we have to solve the exercise for chapter 4, emerging technology. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. First question is IoT is referred as dash dash dash. Answer is Internet of Things. Second, smart home is the application of dash dash technology. Answer is IoT. Dear student, now we have to write the question answers in your notebook. Question number 3, Amazon is the dash dash service provider. IaaS, infrastructure as a service. Question number 2, match the pair. First is smart city. Smart city option is IoT. Answer is IoT. Second is Amazon Web Server. Answer is cloud computing. Third, PaaS. Answer is platform as a service. Fourth, SaaS, software as a service. Question number 3, state whether the given statement is true or false. First, PaaS provides a platform with tools to test, develop and host applications in the same environment. Answer is true. Second question, cloud computing means to store and access data and programs over the internet. And the answer is false. Next, question number 4, explain the following. First question is, give some applications of IoT. Answer is, applications of IoTs are: first, smart lighting; second, smart thermostat; third, smart lock and garage door open; 4, smart security cameras; 5th, smart traffic signals. Second question is, explain in detail about cloud computing. Now, this question's answer is page number 54 for the textbook. Now, we have to open page number 54. And this is, cloud computing is a model for enabling convenient on-demand network access to a shared pool of computing resources like network, servers, storage, applications and services release with service provider interaction. Question number 3. Explain models of cloud computing. This question answer is page number 54 and 55. Now this page in 54, first, models infrastructure as a service, IaaS. IaaS can give users access to storage, networking, servers and other computing resources via the cloud. IaaS provides automated and scalable environments that provide a high degree of control and flexibility for the user. Example is Amazon Web Services, AWS, EC2, Microsoft Azure VM, Google Compute Engine, GCE. Second model is Platform as a Service, PaaS. A service provider offers access to a cloud-based environment in which user can develop, manage and deliver applications. Third model is Software as a Service, SaaS. A service provider delivers software and applications through the internet. Users do not install applications on their local devices. For example of SaaS, Google's G Suite, GitHub, SAP, Slack, Dropbox. Fourth question is, give brief idea about AI. And this is in page number, it is on page number 56. AI means artificial intelligence, is an area of computer science that emphasizes on creation of intelligent machines that work and react like humans. AI is different from robotics but related to some extent, in which machines sense their environment, perform calculations and do physical tasks either by themselves or under the direction of people. And the last question is, explain the concept of 5G. It is on paper, page number 57. 5G is the fifth generation of cellular network technology. 5G is the next generation of wireless communication. 5G technology may use a variety of spectrum bands including millimeter waves, means mm waves, radio spectrum, which can carry very large amount of data as a short distance. Now, this is the question answers of chapter 4. Now, the chapter is completed. Thank you.